Arikugambaho n'abanyamakuru ahirwariro Elia Cancer Elia Uganda Cancer Institute omuri Murago ori kuri rwarire Dr. Jackson Orem yahakanisa byone biri kugambwa ari kugira ngo tibihikire ariko kushoborora ngo ebyome bine byona nibikora kurungi ngo amakuru agari koreka ngo harihe byoma ebiri kurenga 500 ebimazire emyaka mushanje bitakakoraga aha muntu wena ngo ebiti mazima ebyo kugira ngo birigirireho n'abantu okuferwa amagaragabo.
Insinuation about the non-functionality of equipments at the Uganda Cancer Institute and that there are faulty equipments and patients are at risk. They are not being treated because of that. What I want first to clarify is that that is not true. As you have seen for yourself and you have heard from my colleagues, the Uganda Cancer Institute is fully functional and we have fully functional equipment.
Ogu yashaba abanya-Uganda bona okurekeraho muze ubwo kwe kwa Sang Cancer Institute guteyine byoma ngo kana n'uburire bwa cancer tuburi kubasa kucirira mu Uganda ngo abo kwa binji nibirukiro mu mahanga gaheru okutunga obujanjabi bari kwe kwa sangwe byomo mu irwariro tibiri gukora.
Those who are going for cancer treatment, be it to Nairobi, to Rwanda or to Tanzania, they are going there leaving behind actually the best service that we have in the region. So if they are charged there, then it is them to blame.
Ahajo kushashura esente oguya yongera yagira ngo bona abari kujanjabirwa omwirwarire ngo nibije abatungo obujanjabi obwabusha abo bona abari kwaba bahikirire.
If you registered as a private patient, even the treatment in terms of drugs should also be charged. That is what I meant. So the drugs are free for the general patients as well as for the private patients. So everyone, all Ugandans, get free anti-cancer drugs.
Where Dr. Israel Rutu or senior consultant radiation oncologist yashoborora ahabimwe ebyoma ebibine nka Uganda Cancer Institute ngo kandi abantu biyehorwe kwaso.
Era katuyine ebyoma bisatu bibayita linear accelerators. The state of the art linear accelerators bazita true beam linear accelerators. Ze wandisanze bugenda mu America oba Canada ziriyo nakati. Atenga mu Africa toyinza zisangawo tojja genda Nairobi no zisangayo tojja genda Cape Town no zisangayo tojja genda Johannesburg no zisangayo.
We ori omugambirizi ow'ekitongole ekya Uganda Cancer Institute Christine Namulindwa hamwe na n'omushaho Dr. Bangide Namutare nabo bashoborora ahakasente kace akomuntu aine kushashura ngo ekine kiyambaho ahakanike byoma nkebi byaba bitunjiro buzibu.
Prices zetulabye era ziri displayed mu bifo ebirimu ebyuma kino kyatekebwawo management nekibeera approved by the board tutufunayo ka cost akatono ennyo omulwadde kasobola okusasula oyeyeesobola tulabe nti mashini eno bwebanga yetaaga repair bwebanga breaking down bwebanga yetaaga maintenance tusobola okumaintaininga mashini eno
olunaku nga ultrasound tuyinza okukola nga ku balwadde nga ana ultrasound and then x-ray almost enamba ebeera yagala okwefaanagana kubanga abajja mu ultrasound balina okukola ne x-ray for staging of disease.
Bwanyuma Dr. Orem yarambuza abanyamakuru ebyoma ebiri kwawukana ngo kandi yayongera yashoborora na no kubiri gukora kandi bikakora kurungi. Amakuru agagasha kwa Ronald Ngabirano ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kampala.